Welcome to Study Point. Here we are discussing some important questions of Python programming. Our first question is, which keyword is used for function in Python language? Given options are option A function, option B def, option C fun fun, option D define. Here correct answer is option B def def. The def keyword is used to create or define a function in Python. Next question. Python supports the creation of anonymous functions at runtime using a construct called dash. Given options are option A pi, option B anonymous, option C lambda, option D none of the mentioned. Here correct answer is option C lambda. See the explanation. Python supports the creation of anonymous functions, that is, functions that are not bound at a name at runtime, using a construct called lambda. Lambda functions are restricted to a single expression. They can be used wherever normal functions can be used. Next question. Which of the following character is used to give single line comments in Python? Option A double forward slash, option B hash, option C exclamatory sign, option D single slash and star. Here correct answer is option B hash. See the explanation. To write single line comments in Python, use the hash character at the beginning of the line. It is called number sign or pound sign. To write multi-line comments, close the text between triple quotes. For example, this is comment text with triple quote. Next question. What is the order of precedence in Python? Given options are option A exponential, parenthesis, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Option B exponential, parenthesis, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Option C parenthesis, exponential, multiplication, division, subtraction, addition. Option D parenthesis, exponential, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. The correct option is option D. For order of precedence, just remember this PEMDAS, similar to BODMAS, BODMAS. Next question. What does PIP stand for Python? Option A pip installs Python, pip installs package, C preferred installer program, D all of the mentioned. Here correct answer is option C preferred installer program. Next question. What will be the output of the following Python code if x equal 1? See here the expression x double less than 2. So here given options are option A 4, option B 2, option C 1, option D 8. So here correct answer is option A 4. How? See the explanation. The binary form of 1 is 0001. The expression x double less than 2 implies we are performing bitwise left shift on x. So x double less than 2 implies that bitwise left shift on x. This shift yields the value 0100, which is the binary form of the number 4. 0100 is the binary form of number 4. Our next question. Which of the following is true for variable names in Python? Given options are A, underscore and ampersand are the only two special characters allowed. Option B, unlimited length. Option C, all private members must have leading and trailing underscore. Option D, none of the mentioned. Here correct answer is option B, unlimited length. Variable names can be of any length. Next question. What will be the output of the following Python code? L equal in brackets 1020 in code hello, then brackets list filter bool BWL comma 1. Given options are option A in bracket 102 hello, then inverted comma and then brackets. Option B error. Option C in brackets 1 2 hello. Option D 1020 hello and inverted comma and brackets. Here correct answer is option C error. Option C, sorry, not error, 1 2 and hello. How? See the explanation. The code shown above returns a new list containing only those elements of the list L which do not amount to 0. Hence the output is 1 2 and hello. So our correct answer is option C, 1 2 and hello. Our next question. What are the values of the following Python expression? First expression 2 double star 3 double star 2 in brackets. Next expression 2 double star 3 in brackets double star 2. Next 2 double star 3 and double star 2. Correct. Given options are option A 512, 64, 512. Option B 512, 512, 512. Option C 64, 512, 64. Option D 64, 64, 64. Here correct answer is option A how. See the following explanation. First expression 2 double star in brackets 3 double star. Expression 1 is evaluated as 2 double star 9 which is equal to 512. Expression 2 is evaluated as 8 double star 2 which is equal to 64. The last expression is evaluated as 2 double star 3 double star 2. This is because of the associativity of double star operator is from right to left. Hence the result of the third expression is 512. Okay. So our correct option is option A 512, 64 and 512. Our next question. Which of the following functions is a built-in function in Python? Given options are option A factorial, option B print, option C seed, option D sqrt. Here correct answer is option B print. How? See the explanation. The function seed is a function which is present in the random module. The function sqrt and factorial are part of the math module. And the print function is built-in function which prints a value directly to the system output. So our correct answer is option B print. Thank you.